Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Open the Ring app and sign in. Go to your doorbell's device settings, then find the Motion Settings or Schedule section. Here, you can quickly re-enable or recreate your motion schedules. If you saved a backup or have shared access, use those options to restore schedules even faster. This keeps your home monitoring consistent after a reset.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.